Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve these soft beachy waves for short to medium hair. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you already have, thank you so much for coming back. Alright, so let's get right into the video. The first thing I'm going to be doing in here is just brushing out my hair, that way there won't be any tangles or anything. Next, I'm going to be sectioning off my hair. I don't have so much hair, so I just section it off in half, and I'm going to be using my Revlon curling wand. I'm just going to be adding a little bit of heat protectant spray to my hair, that way it won't burn so much. Next, I'm just going to take a little small section of my hair and curl it, and then as you can see, I'm just leaving a chunk at the end, and that's going to make it look a lot more natural rather than just curling the whole thing. And I don't have so much hair. My hair is so thin, I can literally just section it off in like 3 parts. That's just what I'm doing here. And you don't have to leave it for so long. You can give it just about like 10 seconds. That's what I usually do. Now I'm just going to do the same with the other side, brush it out a little bit, and then section it off. And I'm curling away from my face. You can alternate and do away and then to your face, but I don't know, I just like it better doing it all in the same way. And then I'm just going to take this little comb and kind of tease it a little bit so I can give it like a little bit of volume. You can do this at the end, or you can just do this once you're done with or you can do it right after you're done with your first section, which I'm doing right here. And then to give it a softer look, I'm just kind of brushing it through with my brush. And I'm going to take a little bit of hairspray, literally just like 2 pumps of hairspray to kind of hold it together, but you don't want to use too much, otherwise it's going to give you like a wet look, and that's not what we're going for. And now that I'm done with the first part, with the first bottom of my hair, I'm going to do the same thing with the top half. And you just do the exact same thing until you're done. And then I just like to give it a little bit of a pull, that way the curl isn't so tight. So you can just tug a little bit on it at the end of it. And this really just takes me like 10 minutes because I have very little hair and it's very thin. If you have thicker hair, it might take you a little bit longer, but not that much longer because it's super simple. You just have to wait like maybe 10 or less seconds, and you don't curl the whole thing. You just leave a chunk at the bottom, and that's gonna make it look a lot more natural. And then I'm just teasing it here again, doing the same thing I did with the bottom, just to give it a little bit more volume. And then I like to run my fingers through my hair also, and just kind of play with it with my fingers. And that's pretty much all. I hope you guys like this hair tutorial. This is one of my favorite looks for now that I've cut my hair a little bit shorter. It used to be a little bit longer, but now that it's shorter, I'm really loving this style. And it doesn't take me too long, and you know, when you're a mom, you just like to go for the things that take less time but still look good. So I think this is definitely one of those that I love to do when I'm in a little bit of a hurry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you've already subscribed, thank you guys so much for coming back and taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. See you guys on the next video. Bye. Bye guys.